What is up, guys? It is me, the Poison Dart here, back with another video. Today, I'm going to show you how to make your own intro inside a Panzoid or Ponzoid, however you like to say it. But it's very simple, very easy. If you're feeling lazy, this is a website for you. I am not being sponsored here, just saying. But this is very good. If you really want to try it, I recommend you try it. If you don't feel like using Blender or After Effects, you can use this, and the intros come out very good. Whether you want a 3D or 2D, they're both very good. I recommend you try it. But let's get back into the tutorial. So once you go to the Panzoid website, you can click Clip Maker, or you can click some of these intros that are already ready. I'm just gonna click this orange template one. It's a 2D intro template. I'm gonna click open. You can go here, go to basics, choose your resolution. These two are some of the highest quality for rendering fast. But if you want the highest quality possible, you can go with 4K, which is how my intro is. But I didn't use this one. I didn't use Panzoid. So I'm gonna click 720p because it still looks good. Go to objects, scroll down. You can also do this on mobile, except that a little bit harder since you're using a touchscreen. So yeah. So I'm just gonna put a random name like tutorial. Spelled it wrong. Okay, you're gonna press enter. Go here. You're gonna spell tutorial or whatever your YouTube channel name is. There. You're gonna wanna go here. Go to download. You can click any of these. I'm just gonna choose balance and start video render. This will not take that long considering on the options you chose. If you chose 4K and you chose extreme quality, then that's gonna take quite a while, but it's gonna look very good. But if you chose the options I chose, 720p, balanced, it will not take too long unless it's a 30 intro. 30 intros, it's not gonna take too long if you choose 4K 2D intro on extreme quality, just because it's not rendering as much as it would on a 3D intro where there's a lot of effects. But it's very handy, very good if you're feeling very lazy and you don't feel like doing as much as you would with Cinema After Effects or Panzoid. I don't think I said that yet. Maybe I have, maybe I didn't, but very handy. And if I hope you learned something from this video. I'm gonna show you the intro after it gets done. It's very good, very handy, and you should really try it. So I've already tried doing this video once. I failed, so I decided to do a retry. As soon as it gets done, it'll show right here. You can open it. And I see right there, it's good. So I will leave a link to this orange template if you really want to use this one. If you don't, then it's okay. I hope you had a great day. Continue to have a great day. Have a great week. Have a great year. And I will continue making videos. See y'all next time. Peace.